He's driving.
Hey, buddy.
I'm driving,
How's it
Mom.
going? Oh my gosh, you're driving. You're like not even a year old yet. Yep. Tractor's moving. How is it, Caden?
This is fun.
How's
Mom.
the field feel? Is the dirt nice and soft, good to work?
Turn around and look at Caden.
Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, don't let go of the steering wheel though.
He lost his shoe.
Oh no.
Can you go over top of his head and then out the back what we're doing?
Yeah, I was trying. Oh yeah. Hey, Farmer Jones.
Put your hat back on, you silly boy.
Farmer Jones, you need your hat. Hello, take off the hat. Ride 'em, cowboy. You're a farmer, not a cowboy, Caden.
Yes. What are you doing? Is it from... Hang on. Hang on now, man. Yeah. Okay, look and see how you're doing. Yep, take a look, see how you're doing. Good boy. Keep watching how you're doing. Oops. Got my... I'll get it for you. I'll get it for you, baby.